Missing kickout flashing at sidewall terminations is one of the most common roofing flashing detail issues that we find during our inspections. When we have a fascia that terminates against a sidewall, we want to see a piece of kickout flashing at the top of that. Now, the purpose of that flashing is to force the water back into the gutter and prevent it from getting into the soffit and behind the siding at that spot. Now, you can notice the stains that are here. And show you another thing, when we push on this wall, notice the flex that's behind that vinyl. What's been happening is water has ran behind the vinyl and has ran down and touched that wall sheathing all the way down. Now I've got a piece of loose siding here that I can get behind, and take a look at this OSB. This is completely deteriorated. That's because the water's been behind that vinyl, starting at the top, and has caused deterioration all the way down. This all stems from the lack of kickout flashing at that sidewall termination.